Obviously, when you're losing your hair and you see these people walking around with great results, you kind of are jealous of them.
Over the past 20 years, we've seen amazing changes in the treatments of hair loss. So not only effective medications that are stronger than what you get over the counter, but also the ability to undetectably retransplant hair follicles into the balding areas.
It's nice being in pictures, not worrying about your hair. So it's definitely a confidence booster.
This is the Artis hair transplant robot. It's a robot that assists in follicular unit extraction, which is the harvesting of individual hair follicles and follicular units from the back of the scalp, which leaves no linear scar. So when we look at these areas, we can see that there is some ongoing progression of weaker, thinner, wispier hairs. Those are the areas that we really want to focus on in terms of medical therapies, making sure that you continue on laser light therapy or other topical medications to keep those hairs growing thick and strong. Your transplants are growing great. Those are permanent. Never go away till you dye hair. A procedure takes a full day, and then the next time they would visit would be the next day. Make sure that everything is going along smoothly with the healing process. And then the hair growth is going to start in about 6 to 12 weeks. And it's going to take about 6 months to see half of the result and the full result in a year.
Once I tell them I've had it done, they're amazed. A lot of the guys are jealous.